In this video I'm showing how I fixed an issue on a 2016 Ford F150 where water was collecting in the rear passenger side door. It got to the point where I could hear it sloshing around whenever I would stop at a red light, and if I shake the door back and forth here, you can see what I mean. This problem is made worse by the fact that I'm a Floridian, and every year around late May or early June, the weather just gets a certain type of way.
One day, it started raining, and it didn't quit for 4 months.
On the inside of the door on the bottom corner, there's a rubber grommet. I started by taking that out, which helped to drain some of the water. But it became obvious that these crappy little drains that Ford put in the bottom of the door here were just plugged up with tree junk and dirt and stuff. I did what I could to clear the drains with a screwdriver, but it didn't make much of a difference. Something tells me this truck is just trying to revert to its previous life as the pile of recycled beer cans that Ford put into the F-150 shaped trash compactor and turned into the truck that I bought from them.
It's just completely ruined.
Can't trust this.
I think we got Swiss cheese for a truck here.
What seemed to work better for me was grabbing a wet dry vac and using it to clear the drains. After I did this, the water drained out much quicker, and it's been a few weeks now and the sloshing hasn't returned, so I'm calling it fixed. And for what it's worth, I also put the rubber grommet back where I found it. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.